myself Nidhi Kotadia. Today presenting Sri D.M. Mehta Institute of Ayurveda. Today we are here to describe about shoulder joint. Name of joint: shoulder joint, articular with scapula and head of humerus. Type of joint: sternal joint. Ligaments of the shoulder joint: coracohumeral ligament, glenohumeral ligament, transverse humeral ligament, glenoidal labrum and articular capsule. Movements of shoulder joint: flexion, extension, circumflexion, abduction, adduction. Clinical anatomy of shoulder joint: fracture of shoulder joint, dislocation of shoulder joint, frozen shoulder and shoulder tip pain.
Blood supply: anterior circumflex femoral artery, subscapular artery, suprascapular artery.
Nerve supply of shoulder joints: axillary nerve, suprascapular nerve and muscular cutaneous